Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another unboxing, and while I do have 3 more bags to unbox and another fine jewelry piece to unbox with you, today's unboxing is going to be a bit special because it's in collaboration with the fine jewelry brand Linjer. It's my first piece from the brand and I'm super excited to share it with you, so let's get straight into the unboxing. If you're not familiar with Linjer, it's a sustainable fine jewelry brand that boasts long-lasting, luxury quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices. They make all of their jewelry with recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, and conflict-free lab-grown diamonds. Linjer's goal is to enable people to enjoy the finer things in life every day. They do this through a direct-to-consumer sales model that allows them to keep their prices low, which means that in purchasing from Linjer, you can get luxury quality jewelry for less while also feeling confident that you're wearing both ethical and sustainable pieces. As you'll see, I chose the Thais necklace, which is a very simple, minimal, and classic style. It's just such a versatile piece that is perfect for daily wear. The necklace has an adjustable 14-karat gold chain that can be worn at 16, 17, or 18 inches. And the diamond is a 0.115 carat lab-grown diamond that measures 3.1 millimeters in diameter. I will say that it's quite dainty, but I actually really like the minimal, barely there look of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it so you can see what I mean. Look how pretty. Now, this piece normally sells for 379 USD or 600 Canadian, but it's currently on sale for 303 USD or 480 Canadian. I also have a promo code for you to use on the website for a special offer. So if you're interested in anything from the brand, definitely head over to the website to take advantage of the sale and the promo code. So this is what the necklace looks like on. I think it's really cute. It's on its shortest setting like this. There are 2 more settings as you saw in the unboxing, but I just like how it sits right up here. And yeah, I really have been enjoying this necklace. Now, if you've been here for a while, you may have seen my video from last year on my 2024 wish list. And in that video, I mentioned that I didn't have any necklaces in my fine jewelry collection because I'm more of a ring and bracelet girl, but I was interested in a certain style of necklace and I was looking at a particular piece to add to my collection, and that was the Cartier d'Amour necklace in the small size. So when Linjer reached out to me and I found this necklace, I thought, hey, that would be a really great piece to try out, not just to try the style of necklace because it is very similar to the Cartier one that I was interested in, but also just to kind of fill that hole in my fine jewelry collection, which I can say that this does very well. So yeah, this is not only my first piece from Linjer, but it's also the first necklace in my fine jewelry collection, and I am really enjoying it. To show you how this Linjer piece compares to similar styles from more mainstream luxury brands, let's take a look at the Cartier necklace that I had been planning to purchase. Now we have the extra small Cartier d'Amour necklace on the left, the Linjer Thais necklace in the middle, and the same Cartier necklace but in the small size on the right. And I'm only looking at the carat weight and chain length because I'm not a diamond expert, so I can't speak to the clarity or cut. I also haven't been able to compare these pieces in person, so I can't speak to how substantial they are comparatively in terms of things like chain thickness, weight, etc. But if anyone does know their diamonds well or even has either of these pieces, please feel free to leave your thoughts and impressions on this in the comment box. So the extra small Cartier necklace is 14.9 to 16.1 inches in length, and it comes with a 0.04 carat diamond with a diameter of 3.79 millimeters. The website says that this is the diameter of the pattern, so I believe this also includes the setting and not just the diamond itself, so the diamond would actually be smaller in diameter. Nonetheless, the diamond in this necklace is almost 1/3 the carat weight of that in the Thais necklace, and the chain is 2 inches shorter at its longest length than the Thais necklace is at its shortest length. In comparison, the small model has a 0.09 carat diamond with a pattern diameter of 4.5 millimeters, while the chain length is the same as in the extra small model. In both cases, the diameters of the Cartier pieces exceed that of the Linjer piece by 0.7 to 1.4 millimeters. But this doesn't mean that the diamonds themselves are actually larger. This difference could actually just be a function of the setting itself being larger. Regardless, the weight of the Thais diamond exceeds that of both the Cartier models, and the Linjer necklace chain is actually longer than both the Cartier models as well. Of course, the diamond in the Linjer necklace is lab grown and you're not paying for the same brand name, but just in terms of what you get, it's safe to say that comparatively you're getting more diamond and more chain with the Linjer option at a much lower price point. Another piece that is actually even more similar in style to the Thais necklace is the Tiffany Elsa Peretti Diamonds by the Yard single diamond pendant, which comes in a variety of carat weights. The most similar to the Linjer Thais is the 0.12 carat 16-inch 18 karat gold necklace, which retails for 1,700 Canadian dollars. Again, it seems in this case that the Linjer Thais chain is longer by 2 inches, and although the carat weight is slightly lower, the Thais necklace remains the more affordable option for this style of necklace. So overall, if this is a style of necklace that you're interested in, I would highly suggest checking out the options from Linjer, especially if price point is what's keeping you from purchasing from other brands. There are two things about this necklace that I really like and that I want to point out. So one is that, especially in natural light, this chain is actually very, very shiny and it catches light in a really nice way. I don't know if you can see it right now because I'm just using my ring light and it's quite dim, but in natural light it catches light so beautifully. Another thing is that, like I mentioned before, this diamond is not a natural diamond. It's not a mine diamond. It's a lab grown diamond. So it's structurally identical to natural diamonds. It just was not pulled from the earth. And something that I've noticed actually, and I'm quite impressed by, in comparison to fine jewelry pieces that I have from brands that, you know, are similar in terms of price point to Linjer, like Mejuri and BluBoho, this lab diamond is so much clearer and so much sparklier than the mine diamonds in those pieces. And I'll try and upload some b-roll for you so you can see kind of the difference. But yeah, I'm very, very impressed with how clear and shiny and sparkly this diamond is in comparison to the natural diamond that I have in my Mejuri pieces and my BluBoho pieces. This is just to give you a comparison of the Thais necklace with pieces that I have from other similar brands. The chain is similarly thick and shiny, but as you can see, the Linjer diamond is brighter, shinier, and sparklier overall. Thing that I'm a little bit worried about is that this chain is very, very dainty, so I feel like I have to be very careful with it. Not like, you know, I'm rolling around and doing crazy activities in while wearing this necklace, but you know, I mean, just if my hair gets stuck in it or if I accidentally pull on it, I don't know, I'm just a little bit nervous about that. But you know what, I will report back in a few months' time and let you know how that's been going. But that's all I have for you today, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think about my new necklace from Linjer. Have you ever tried the brand before? Are you interested in trying it? Also, let me know if you've ever ordered anything from Linjer before, what your experience has been, what your impressions are of the brand. I'd love to hear about it. If you haven't ordered from the brand before and you're interested, you can definitely go ahead and use my coupon code ASHA at checkout for a special offer. It's at no extra cost to you. I don't make anything from it. It's just a thank you for being here and for watching. So definitely make use of that. And another thing is, I believe that they are also doing another promo for 20% off if you sign up. However, I don't know if that is stackable with my discount code. You would just have to check it out on the website yourself. But yeah, that's something else to keep in mind. Other than that, though, if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.